Last one before drink some nibbles, folks. So, afternoon everyone. Did you know there's a freely available data set that can measure the exact height and volume of each individual tree in a commercial forest block? Can tell a farmer the most cost-efficient and environmentally friendly location to apply fertiliser? Can help uncover cultural heritage sites? And has recently been used to help identify $19 billion worth of at-risk assets from projected climate change, including homes, marae, and critical infrastructure. If you didn't know this, you're not alone. This data is called LiDAR, and right now, these are the areas of New Zealand where you can get this information, but by 2023, it will be available for over 80% of New Zealand's landscape, for free. Kia ora everyone, my name's Glenn and I'm from the Elevation Aotearoa team, and our project aims to ensure more people know this information is coming, can access it easily, and know how to use it more effectively. LiDAR stands for Light Detection and Ranging, and it is captured from the air with laser sensors which scan the environment below. Something a little bit like this. That's what you were wishing, eh? No, it's a bit more like this. So the sensor sends back millions of rich data points with information about both the ground elevation and surface features such as trees and buildings. With it, a forestry manager can calculate block yields without ever leaving the office. Māori landowners can work out the best future land use for their whenua. And urban planners can create a 3D digital version of the built environment. Land Information New Zealand has partnered with regional councils and invested $19 million to capture and make freely available this highly accurate elevation data set for New Zealand. Nothing has been done before at this scale, and New Zealand is the only country in the world where this type of national level capture program is underway. The problem we discovered after interviewing close to 50 people on this subject was that people just don't know this information is coming. They can't find or access it easily. They're not sure how to use it effectively. They feel they're just scratching the surface with the information, and they don't know where to go to find help. Additionally, the current siloed approach, where each council who's procuring LiDAR and central government stores, manages, and releases the data in different ways, means that people just aren't sure where to go. We've come up with two solutions to these problems. Firstly, a national data discovery and education portal called Elevation Aotearoa, a one-stop shop for all things LiDAR. It includes a New Zealand-wide interactive map which shows people when information is coming and for what areas, with direct links to download existing information. It also provides the tools and resources such as guides, webinars, and case studies specific to industries to allow people to upskill in this area and understand how LiDAR can help their business. The second component of our solution is OLGA. OLGA stands for Open LiDAR Group Aotearoa. It is a shared co-governance arrangement between central and local government to manage all open LiDAR in New Zealand. It builds on and formalises the existing successful relationships established between LINZ and councils over the last few years, and ensures a long-term success of the project. We can streamline the data release process, reduce duplication, and ensure a better experience for our customers and save our ratepayers and taxpayers money. Now more than ever, it is important to think about how we use our land in Aotearoa. Whether it's designing the infrastructure for the COVID-19 shovel-ready response, or responding to, as our Prime Minister declared yesterday, a climate change emergency. LiDAR can help us understand the past and accurately measure and model both the present and future environments. We have the perfect opportunity right now. The data is on its way. Up to $38 million extra per year can be added to the economy by improving access, awareness, and education around this information. So what's next? We have a roadmap and business plan out to 2023. And just on Tuesday this week, LINZ and 8 regional councils agreed to commit the resources to progress the work. Understanding how, here is our project team. As you can see, I had a full head of hair before I started this project. Someone told me I had to speak tonight without notes, and I was like, whoa, okay. But that's us. We'd really like to thank LINZ and all of the regional councils that provide the resources to make this happen, as well as Creative HQ. So we feel by opening up access, improving education, and developing a long-term sustainable partnership to manage open LiDAR in New Zealand, we can unlock the potential of this information, add that $38 million extra per year to the economy, and improve environmental outcomes. Now is the perfect time for New Zealand to be a world leader in this space. Let's take the opportunity. Thank you.